Yeah, I'm done. I'm done eating. Alright. I'm just saying to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, like I said in my YouTube video, why I bash you in social media, why I bash you in Instagram thread, you are wrong. You are wrong that you say a bad words. You say bad words like, what did you say to me? The word asshole, fuck word, and what else? You say me negative words. Oh, Nigel Ernesto de Veria doesn't like bad words. Oh, even Christian Mengito, Jaredino, they don't like bad words. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, don't say bad words. When I was in the school on CDIFI, I remember the time. Um, During the time of Teacher May, oh, when you use social media etiquette like Instagram, before Threads was famous, do not say bad words in Instagram. Because as you can see, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, if you say bad words in Thread in Instagram, you will be suspended in Instagram. J. Silva says, I'm telling you, oh, even you saying bad words at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte, that's very inappropriate. What is the teachings from Kuya Ver and Christian Mengito about the teachings of Jesus Christ? Oh, never to say bad words. I'm telling ya, you are very wrong, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Because I'm telling to all the parents there, I'm calling out the parents of Mark Cruz. All of you are very wrong. Alright? All of you are very wrong. Just like I said before, mali ang pinalaki nyo ng anak nyo, like I said. Because your son, I say again that Mark Cruz is really a bully. Oh, he was kicked out in his college and he was a bully also. Oh, he is a truly bully. I'm telling ya, Mark Cruz, people there, they don't deserve that you will love you. Like for example, you call Nguyen Pongkan kettle cow. And you call Ryan Chris Lucero F word. Even J. Rick Silva, you calling F word. And then you call me an F word also, that word asshole word. Is this very an insult, Mark Cruz? Where did you get that words anyway? Let me ask you something, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Paulo Cruzada was been scolded by his parents. Teacher May already reported to Paulo Cruzada's parents that he's prohibited in using social media. Unlike that the parents of Mark Cruz, they didn't prohibited using social media. He didn't raise his son as an attitude, and he's really stubborn. I want to tell you something, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. If you're using social media, do not say bad words at Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. Show little respect, show a public apology. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, if you hate Rodrigo Duterte, why can't you just shut up, Mark Cruz? Just like I said, just shut up. I do not say F word, Just shut up, Mark Cruz. If I say again, manahimik ka na lang, Mark Cruz. And I know you and your ally, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, both of you have attacking J. Rick Silva. And you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, if you say a bad words many times, I will tell the Duterte supporters to reload that airsoft gun, shoot at Mark Cruz in San Pedro, Laguna. Make sure that he will be ambushed. Is this what you like, to say bad words? Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, Christian Mengito, Nigel Ernesto de Beria. Lecture your friend. Teach him a good manners and right conduct. Because me, when I use good manners and right conduct, I don't want to say bad words. In my YouTube video, in my content, Mark Cruz, why are you saying bad words in social media? Does Rafa Soco say some bad words? No. Does Bam Hernando say some bad words? No. Both of them, they never say bad words. Even Ronald Rebena, he was lectured by Wawel. He never say bad words. Like me, I was been lectured by my parents. I never say bad words. You know, in Shia Muslim, I don't say bad words. Like you, Mark Cruz, enough about your many times about bad words. Quit on your saying about bad words, you know. Like I remember the time when I did to Nanay Ningning, I commented in Instagram before Threads was coming. And I know this is really hurt to Nanay Ningning. When I call her the word an asshole word, like I said it before, all the Germans are very stupid. Now she was offended. And I apologize, Nanay Ningning 2024, and I reconciled with her. I talked with Nanay Ningning about cars. We're not talking about politics. We're talking about cars in Germany. Unlike Mark Cruz, he always debating me about that Mitsubishi Eclipse, that toy car, that Margaret. And I debate with him with the toy car, the Margaret, Audi B8. I debate with Mark Cruz that what is that? I remember Mitsubishi Eclipse. It was a Matchbox. That was he bought it 2023. And I am telling anyway, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I know you're just like a Kuya Copio's version. Kuya Copio version is Mark Cruz. The Laguna's Kuya Copio. And he says bad words. Because Mark Cruz is the version of Kuya Copio of Laguna. If I were you, Mark Cruz, why can't you join to the Galang neighbors? At least there's Buba. But Buba was in school. If I were you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, do not say bad words. I am very angry at you when you say bad words. Like me, when I say bad words in school, in CDIFI, when I curses Prince Gun and Teacher May scolded me, this is my fault. I was wrong. That I made a mistake, that I cursed Prince Gun in Messenger. With the bad words in Tagalog words. But you, Mark Rose, when I bash you in social media, when I bash you in Instagram threads, your bad words anyway, it has prohibited. You are wrong, Mark Rose. You should never be like you say, you were in the top, ikaw na sa taas, tayo sa baba, kami ni J-Rick. You are a bully. let's say, let's have a bullying test, and who's the real bully? Mark Cruz, you and me, one and one bullying test, and psychiatrist test, and who is the true bully? Ah, if you don't like Rodrigo Duterte, Mark Cruz, if you hate Rodrigo Duterte, if I'm telling you, why can't you just shut up? Manahimik ka na lang, Mark Cruz. It's better. You shut up and stop posting about against Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, that's simple. Be non-partisan, Mark Cruz. Be non-partisan like Christian Mengito. Be non-partisan like Kuya Bear. Don't be such a political affiliation, Mark Cruz. Miggy Labitag never post in Facebook. If Miggy Labitag has Instagram and Threads, he will never post about political. He is non-political. He is non-partisan. Some of others, Mark Cruz, who were Duterte supporters, are non-partisan. You're the only Marcos loyalist. You're posting about politics. You're posting nonsense. And you're posting geopolitical. That you're saying about that US airstrike in Iran, that's a fake news. Donald Trump did not order to attack Iran. He already stopped. And he paused it, and he canceled the strike at Iran. So what is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? What is wrong with you when you criticize Iran is not a Muslim? It's a Muslim country, Mark Cruz. It's just like in Taliban, they're all Muslim. Malaysia is Muslim country. Would you ever criticize Muslim, Mark Cruz, and Indonesia, Yemen, Iraq, even Syria and Lebanon and Palestine? Everyone there are Muslims. The Muslims are angry at you, Mark Cruz. Adam Juari is angry at you because you offended to the Muslims in Iran, even Shia and Sunnis. Because you criticize Muslims. That's why you, Mark Cruz, everyone will hate you. People will deserve they don't like you. Like Eskel Penumbra, he's not posting politics. Because he listened to Teacher Kel, he's non-partisan. Because I know Eskel Penumbra and Teacher Kel are anti-Marcos, they are pro-Duterte. They are non-partisan. You're not only a non-partisan, Mark Cruz. I think I want to tell both of you, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan and Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, both of you are not non-partisan. Both of you are bullies. Both of you are manipulative. This is why, Mark Cruz, you set me up. You ruined my name. You damaged my reputation. You damaged David Gill's reputation that you hack his Facebook account to ruin me. That he ruined Cedric's art, and it wasn't David Gill. And it was Mark Cruz who hacked that Facebook account of David Gill. Everyone are blaming you, Mark Cruz. You're the one who ruined Dan Mardayaw, that he destroyed the art of Cedric. And now, Danmar is very angry at you because you are very shameless, Mark Cruz. That's why I say again, people will hate you. Even Roylan will hate you more. I say again, Roylan Marlang, I just want to tell you something. You can join with me, Cedric, and Danmar, including J-Rick Silva, even Bomber Nando. Oh, you can join us other group members in Hans Inclusion Philippines, except Mark Cruz. And I say to Roy Danmar lang, you should invite Jens Manaid and even my friend Bill Galang. Oh, they're part of us, but not Mark Cruz. Mark Cruz is not a belong in Hans Inclusion Philippines. Because Hans Inclusion Philippines, they don't like bad words. Royland said so. Sabi sa akin ni Royland, bawal kasi magmura pag member ka ng Hans Inclusion Philippines. So, do not say bad words. Oh. Mark Cruz, I say to you, um, do not say bad words, and I'm begging you, even your parents, lecture your son. And I had enough of this imbecile. For what you did to Juan Carlo Pabale, for what you did to Ryan Cristosero, Dan Mardayaw, and including me, including Mon Galang, even the others, even Kuya Rodelio Daguman, that you bully him. Why can't you just leave Kuya Rodelio Daguman alone, Mark Cruz? He wants peace. He wants to make quiet. He doesn't want to get in stress because he just came back in the work in Muntinlupa. If I want to say to you, Mark Cruz, shut up. Shut the fuck up, Mark Cruz. I'm sorry for my bad words. Paula will see this video. You know, Mark Cruz. Quit on your bad words. And stop saying bad words many times. It's really irritating. It's really making anger and offended. J-Rick got offended because of you. You say bad words.